Hello and welcome to my studio. I'm AJ of EverythingAJ's, and today I have kid-friendly workshop ideas for you. Age-friendly workshops are also super important. I've gone and done the senior centers as well as workshops for kids. So the kid-friendly workshops, you can have a ton of different things, and you don't have to exclude them from making things like this that are a little bit more on the fancy side. Every age can actually do this. You're playing in dirt and you're playing with plants. We don't need to be too picky about it. We just need to have fun. And so I've got a couple of different types of ideas here. So depending on the age of the children that you'd be participating with, you want to keep in mind what those containers should be. So whether it's a plastic container, I've got two different kinds here for an example. These are little plastic terrariums, and these are just a regular plastic planter box right here. And then you have more of like the jars, so you could get different little small jars, and they can handle a bit of clanking. They're heavy duty, and I wouldn't say for too young of children, but they're definitely cute for doing them with kids. Also, you've got the terracotta pots. Now, what I've done with a lot of those is spray painted them. So ahead of time, I'll have a bunch of different colors available for them, and I just take a minute and go through and spray paint them. I don't spray paint the inside, I just spray paint the outside of them. And that way the kids have fun picking out their different colors. And sometimes I've actually incorporated some of the glitter spray as well. Here's the plant all planted up, and you can see that it's 1 2-inch succulent. It fits in here perfectly, and quite frankly, it's just the cutest little thing ever. I wanted to show you really quick by planting a jar. Now, I know I've got some glass containers here. You can definitely plant in here if you're older or even a senior citizen. Those aged groups love these kind of things, especially like teacups and such. They're really fun to plant with them. Let's go through this type of glass jar real quick. I'm just gonna do this one here. Oops, it came right out of its planter. So I'm going to do this one here. I'm going to plant it into that container. Let me get some dirt here. Okay, so I've packed this with soil as much as I think I need right now. I've got a little bit left over for the top. Now I'm just going to slide this plant in and kind of shimmy it around. I want it to settle just slightly, and then I'm going to come through and top this off. I'm not trying to drown the plant in dirt, but I don't want it to wiggle. Kind of groom the plant of any of the leaves there that aren't quite good anymore. There's always times where there's leaves going to be shed off of your plant, so you just kind of want to clean it up. Don't leave that in there. Okay, so that's packed in. Super cute little jar. I've used these as wedding favors as well as these terracotta pots. Some people like the shorter jars, so I've done most of them just a little bit smaller than this, and I've also spray painted them in colors. You can do the same method with those in making them different colors available for everyone to kind of have fun with. All right, now I'm just going to top it with a little bit of stuff. So I'm going to do a little bit of blue on one side. Then I'm going to do the shells on the other side. Just kind of pack that down a little bit. And then I've always got different things available, like beach glass, shells. Shells is a really good one for the kids as long as they don't put stuff in their mouths still. And then like little wood pieces. You can also go to like the Dollar Tree and get small trinkets, or you can buy trinkets online. So you've got different fun options for that as well. So I'm going to put a little gnome in this one for fun. There's just enough room there. And even though it seems like there's probably enough in there, I love these little fences. I'm just going to slide it right behind the plant. I already shaped it the shape of the jar as best as I could. And I don't stick it all the way down, but I just kind of nestle it into the edge here. You don't want to damage the plant. You still want the plant to have its own character. And the extra fun step for these kind of things that I like to do is I'll take a bit of twine, tie a bow around it, and then you can either just leave it with the twine bow or you can add a little charm. So here we go. I'm tying a little bow right now. Now I'm going to add a little charm. This is just a little squirrel charm. Just something fun. I have a bunch of different little fun characters, so I figured a little squirrel would be cute. Here we put it right here in the center of the bow. And there we go. There we have it. So, cute little character. I think it's a great idea for all ages. I enjoy this too. But definitely for the kids, teenagers, kids. The plants, if you pick the right plants, they're more friendly than others. Otherwise, have a heck of a lot of fun with it, you know. The colored ones are cute. You could do a cute little Easter workshop with something like that, or a birthday party. It's just an extra way to have a little bit of fun, and it gives the kids or whomever something to take home with them. So instead of a little gift bag full of junk candy and stuff like that, you could do a little workshop. All right, and then top it off here. Why not? You've got little, these are cupcake picks, and then these are little markers for like plants and stuff. I got them at the dollar store, and then I got the felt stickers. So if you want to do a bunch of different themes, you could also do that and stick that into the planter as well. So you just kind of stick it down to the dirt, and you've got your little sign or your little cactus, whatever it is you have. They're just cupcake toppers, so it's the cutest little idea. I hope you guys have fun. If you have any workshop questions, let me know. And I do have other workshop videos as well that I will link below so that you can check those out too. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye everyone.